Hello, this is the Laika Ecovip L2009. Laika motorhome, quite small. This one here is 659 centimeters long, 225 by 296 in height. It's going to cost 95,000 euros. And let's have a look inside. Now, Laika started using this green colour, which, although green I think is my sort of favourite colour, I don't think it looks so good in a motorhome like this. Now, tell me what you think. Well, you can't tell me, you can write it down. In fact, I'm not going to say that. Tell me that. I'll tell you what I think. When I come in here, what I see is a huge amount of space. That's what I feel. I don't know why it's this way. Is it the colour scheme? Is it the lighting? But I feel as though everything is... oh, I know what it is. It's because there's such a high roof. That's what it is. That's what makes it feel so good. And anyway, let's have a look in here. This, if I can open it. Can't open it. Oh, there, you see, that's how far back it goes. Deep. Why isn't that? Laika does this. Oh, it's doing it now anyway. There's big space here free. What's the point of that? Okay, it's a place to put your phones in, so you can charge them from up there. Wasted space, in my opinion. What it needs to do is to put a net somewhere along there. Stops things falling out. You put pillows in there, something like that. Clothing, maybe something that's not going to make too much of a mess when it crashes onto your bed. And right, this is a German layout. Somewhere there will be a filling to put in here, but you can just walk up the steps as it is now, and you've got two singles. If you want a double bed, then you put the bit it goes in here, if you can find it. Under here we've got a large wardrobe, and some models have a light in, but clearly not this one. Well, it's got a sort of a bluish light in because something is plugged in down there. On the other side, we have got, and I think this is quite clever, a pull-out drawer. Very good use of space. And here we've got the steps up to the bed. This will slide out, and once it's slid out, slid out or slided out? Slid out. It's got a access to storage. And here we've got a sort of, I don't know, what's that? A shoe cupboard? I'm going to keep your shoes maybe that far back, I don't know. Something like this. To make this go back in, press that down there, like that, and then on the other side as well. And then it goes in. Right, let's have a look in the washroom. Now you can see in the 7-meter model like this, it's got an enormous washroom. But even this one here is quite nice. 2 drainage points, large domestic size. Got this the duct board in at the moment. Sensible sliding door. Nice and bright. Kitchen over here. Fridge below. Drawers. Is it a soft close? Not really. And drawers below. Unfortunately, we've got these ones that IKEA were giving away when they couldn't sell them inside. We've got one of these fridges that opens both ways. Nice. And nice. 3 burners. Lovely deep sink. Storage up here. Oh, sorry, it's this one here. I haven't got the hang of this, obviously. And has it got, I think, could do with a partition up there. I do appreciate it's a long way back when you... But anyway, oh, this one's got a partition. Can I reach the back? Yeah, I can, just about. Extractor. Okay, here you can see what's going on inside. You got your heating, you can see your water, your electricity, you can set your temperature, that type of thing. Lighting down here, the light switches, extension to your kitchen. Here we've got this really nice big table, sitting group table will move around. It's one of the telescopic one as well, so you can put it right down. Somebody could sleep here, something like that if you wanted to. And in the floor we have got a lot of space. Why? It's a double floor. Absolutely essential. I wouldn't want a van without a double floor. So it gives you an idea of how deep it is. That's about what? 25 centimeters, something like that. Superb. Oh, look at that, that's just fallen down. Where did that come from? Oh, I see what I did. I sat on the end of here and that must have knocked that off. Lots of space, lots of room in here. Storage all the way around. Space for your television. Light from up there. I note, however, there's probably somebody messing around with it. Oh no, it's somebody messing around. But no, that'll repair itself. It looks a bit unneat at the moment, but that does happen. It also happens when it gets a bit dampish, I've noticed. Not that this has just come from sunny Italy, so I don't think it was damp there. And big skylight there. Storage here and here and the other side as well. Very nice. So I'm quite impressed by this vehicle. Let's have a look around the outside. There's the thing that came off. Mind you, I don't think this green, I don't think the colour goes with the van. That's my opinion. Even though I like that colour. I'd like a shirt in that colour, trousers in that colour, that type of thing, jacket in that colour. Don't want a suit in that colour or a tie in that colour, or a dress shirt in that colour, or shoes in that colour either. I've got socks in that colour. Now, that is pretty good. 250 kilos in this. The door to the other side's a bit smaller, but this size door is enormous, and even that size door is pretty good. Look at that, fantastic. Stack of stuff you can get in there, and it's such a comparatively short motorhome as well. So, right, let's have a think about what the good points are and what the bad points are. Actually, other than the price, no, I can't even say because the prices were more or less for the quality and everything. I think the price is okay. I really like the amount of space in that. I like the garage is great. I like the double floor. Yeah, I'm a bit pushed to find something I can't think of. Okay, the colour of the that's a minor point. Let's have a look at the gas cup. Maybe I can find something here I don't like. There, yeah, okay, right. They will use this. Here's something. The two gas. You know, when that one over there, sorry, the far one. I've just knocked the knocked the gimbal. When the far one runs out of gas, what you could do, what best to do, get one of these things, and pull it out. Right. I can't remember how much it costs now, but I mean the overall cost of the motorhome. It won't be a very big percentage, and that would make it easier. Or even better, get a refillable solution. Get a refillable solution. And then you'll never have to lift a gas canister ever again. I need to do a video on refillables. Here we get a good look at the double floor. See how deep it is. You use all this space out here for storage. You've got your fuses there. Aha, there's something I don't like. I like the fuses internally. If something goes, thing is here you can't actually see what's going on. That's one positive thing. You can get, but I mean, if it's pouring with rain and you sort of got the book out trying to think, oh well, hang on, which is the real lights, and pulling them out one by one, that's not so good. I'd rather have that inside. There you go. I found something negative. That's your frost guard, and that will dump your water when the temperature gets below 3 or 4 degrees internally. So what you do in that case, you stop it getting below 3 or 4 degrees internally. That way you protect your boiler. If you leave your vehicle, drain it always. And once you've drained it, drive around a little bit. Go up a hill and go down one. Get rid of all the water inside. You'll use a little bit of fuel up, but it's better than something going wrong internally. Okay, that is the Ecovip L2009 2009 from Laika. Enjoy the Dolce Vita. So I'm quite positively disposed towards this motorhome. Thanks very much for watching.